Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you something really cool. We're going to turn a simple hand-drawn sketch into a professional YouTube thumbnail using AI. No Photoshop, no complicated tools, just your idea and ChatGPT. First, grab a piece of paper and a pen. Now, draw the thumbnail you have in your mind. It doesn't need to be perfect. Even a rough sketch is fine. Here's mine. I just drew it quickly, but it already shows the main idea. Next, take a photo of your drawing and upload it to ChatGPT or any AI image generator you use. Then go to the description of this video. You'll find a ready-to-use prompt there. Just copy and paste that prompt into your AI tool and let it work its magic. Wait a few seconds and boom! You'll get a stunning 3D cinematic thumbnail completely based on your sketch. Here's the one I made using this exact method. Pretty amazing, right? So from now on, you don't need Photoshop or any complicated editing.